Hi, I'm the inventor of the Bio3Blaster ozone machine, and here I am today to demonstrate the maintenance that can be done on the Rugged Pro Junior. Folks, this is our entry-level contractor model, and one of the things that bothered me always in all of the machines that I ever used to use in my business prior to starting and inventing my own was the care and maintenance that was required on the other machines. They were virtually impossible to maintain by an average contractor or technician. They were complicated, they were usually fragile, extremely fragile, and when they broke, they had to be sent nearly halfway across the country in order to be repaired. So I built a machine that the average 10-year-old can easily service, certainly any contractor or technician. So what you're going to need today is a Phillips screwdriver or a powered screwdriver. I like power, so I always go for the powered screwdriver. Some new filters and cotton balls and isopropyl alcohol. The first thing I'm going to show you today is how to go ahead and change the filters. So it's just this simple. You take your new filter material, you reach inside, you remove the old filter, you take the new filter, you tuck it in. Make sure that you, when you're inserting the filter material, that you tuck it under this lip. That'll prevent the filter from sucking back into the inlet of the blower. And once you've replaced all four pieces, just like this, the filters have now been changed. If you're using these machines on a routine basis, I do recommend changing the filters. You don't have to buy expensive filters from me, folks. You can buy one pack like this of vent filters. We got these from Home Depot for $6, and in an evening you can cut yourself a lifetime supply for $6. The cotton balls are there to treat and clean the inside. So what I'm going to do, you can either take your Phillips screwdriver. I like power, so I'm going to use my powered screwdriver. And you have 4 simple screws to remove. I'm going to remove these 4 screws. So I've now backed all 4 screws out. You simply now remove the generator cell. This uses the same high-tech silver printed on the back, nickel on the front 3.5 gram generator paddle. There's 4 of these, making a whopping 14,000 milligrams of ozone. You take that out, just like unplugging a lamp. Any 10-year-old can do it. You get yourself a cotton ball. You take the alcohol, wet it slightly, and then you can easily remove any carbon ghosting or buildup that builds up. If you do that about once a month, that'll keep this machine working for years and years to come. Each one of these generator cells is rated for thousands and thousands of hours, folks. You put that back into the ozone tunnel, put back in the 4 screws, and you've now completed the maintenance on the generator cells, and you didn't have to spend a penny of your money to ship it halfway across the country or needing a repair. Now, to change the fuses, the only last thing that we're ever going to have to do, and to do that we use our trusty Phillips screwdriver, back out the lid to the fuse holder, pull out the fuse. This is a simple 10 amp quick blow fuse that can be bought in any Radio Shack store. You simply remove it, put in a new fuse, and then put it back into the machine. It's just that simple. You've now seen in under 5 minutes how to perform all of the maintenance that is ever going to be necessary for this rugged, heavy-duty contractor introductory machine. 14,000 milligrams per hour, it's good for 1,500 square feet. That's all there is to it, folks. It's just that simple.